Following segment sponsored by Mears Associates. As the new year is just underway, many folks are looking to make some big financial decisions, and one thing to keep in mind is the fact that you can sell any life insurance policy you may not need. And on this edition of Financial Corner, Mark Mears is here to tell us more about selling your life insurance policies. First of all, I got to preface this by saying I didn't even know that this was available or was a thing, is taking a life insurance policy that you have right now and selling it.
Yes, it's a lot of people maybe have heard of the concept, but they don't really know the details.
Right.
And let me say this show today is not a solicitation for people to do so. It's just
giving you information.
Giving you information, that's right. But let me give you the Reader's Digest version. A lot of people have life insurance policies primarily where it works best if the insured is age 70 or older and they have health issues. So for example, if someone has a $250,000 policy that they feel they don't need anymore, it might have, just hypothetically, $50,000 of cash value in it. They think I can cancel the policy and get the $50,000, but they might be able to sell the policy for $100,000 because their life actuarially may be shortened due to health problems. So it's a good market.
When you're making this sale, who are you selling to if you decide to do this?
Okay. There are many financial institutions that want to buy people's life insurance policy if it hits certain parameters. Now, we can help people. If people want to know, rather than talking to someone on the internet, we represent some of those companies. But there are financial institutions just like banks. What they'll do is they'll get the person's medical records, they'll see what their life expectancy is, and based on the life expectancy and the premium for the policy, they can get an offer and get a lot more money than just canceling the policy.
When should a person decide, well, what are some of the parameters that folks, when they're deciding to sell, what are the parameters they need to look at?
Okay, let's take, for example, hypothetically, you and I are in business together.
Right.
We owned a retail business for 30 years. I owned a life insurance policy on you. You owned one on me for a buy-sell agreement. But after 30 years, we sold our business, so we don't need the policies anymore. Right. This is a good example of, instead of just canceling the policy, contact a representative that might be able to get you an offer. And it doesn't have to be with a financial institution. You could sell your life insurance policy to a friend or associate within your circle. You could donate that policy to a charity if you wanted to. But I've seen people get anywhere from $50,000. On one rather large policy, we helped a person get over $400,000 for their policy that they were going to get nothing. So,
well, I learned something today.
Yes.
I really did. I hope our viewers did as well. I'm sure they have questions, and you have answers for them.
Yes, we do.
Let's give you the information right here. It's Mears Associates, located right there in Kingsport on Fort Henry Drive. If you have questions about anything we talked about today or anything to do with annuities, anything of that nature, give Mark Mears Associates a call right there at that phone number. Check out markmears.com. The preceding segment sponsored by Mears Associates.